on another road trip, baby, up in this RV hottie, y'all. So, I'll be posting this as soon as I possibly can. I'm on my way to Amarillo so I can see this RV museum and other things in the Cadillac Ranch. Just to get away. I've been cooped up in this house too long, baby, y'all. So, here we go. Come on and ride with us, ride with us. Girl was playing The Lord Bless Me to get to the gas station. Y'all see that hand, baby? I was trying to get as much out that tank as I could. Hallelujah to the Lamb, for the Lamb. Hallelujah. All right, we stepping in this RV museum. Man, it is set up nicely. I like this. Down here in Amarillo, Texas. So much memorabilia, old stuff. This is the old camper from the movie RV, the guy said. Look at them pretty motorcycles. My goodness. Oh, look at these. Vintage. So freaking nice. So nice. Let's see what it look like in the inside, y'all. Let's see. This is a vintage due to my age. Please look, but don't touch. So if you ever come, don't be trying to be sneaky and touching. Y'all just look. Heard me? You see what they say? I make sure my butt don't be bumping then. Oh look, wood stove. Got a stove with a cook. There's a dresser-like thing over here. A bed. I wish my bed thing had a bed on the bottom. I guess that's probably like a bathroom door. I can't touch, so I can't show y'all. This is from RV the movie. Let's go check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Go check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Man, look at them nice. Got some couches and storage underneath there, y'all. Oh, look at the old fridge cooler box. Oh, look, you got a dinette right here, too. Storage up there. Storage up here. Sinks. You got a real stove. Oh, look, this is kind of like a little dinette or desk right here. I don't know what was back there. We ain't gonna look. Don't worry about it. Of course, I gotta get me up in this here RV, honey. Yes, indeed. Gotta get me. Alright, y'all. This is the Yum Yum. This good potato at Jason's Deli. Currently riding down the old Route 66 in Amarillo, Texas. Just showing little bits and pieces of it. Just came from the nice visitor center. It's decorated really pretty in there. I'm gonna get a picture with this historic Route 66 sign. How do you get one with that? Some eatery. Have to turn around somewhere. I like to get a picture of that. Still riding down the Texas Route 66. My dirty windshield. Can't see nothing good off my windshield. I'm out here parked off this highway in Amarillo, Texas to come see this Cadillac Ranch. Walking up here. You see the cars standing up in the ground. Probably partial cars. Oh, okay. But you spray paint. No, I don't need no spray paint. Whew, this is a trek. That's why my knees is hurt, child. They tired. Shit, this sciatic nerve leg acting a damn fool. Oh, forgive me, yeah. This is a trek to get out here from the road. It's not good for those of us got physical disabilities, honey. I'm gonna need some ice packs and all kinds of heat and stuff. Somebody that spray paint on the ground. Live, laugh, and love. Yes, I needed that today. This is Cadillac Ranch that everybody be talking about and taking pictures of and stuff. Alright, y'all, this is a safety rest stop area that I stopped in. I think it's Hardin County Safety rest stop, southbound on this 287. Let's go in the inside and check it out. Oh, this is all right. Look, yeah, little map thing. Well, this one ain't working. Places to go, places to see, places to eat. It can give me information. Let's see. I don't play no game. But this is over here. I guess this will tell you places to go and places to see. Nice sign tells you that where it is. The vending machines are gonna be around here. And you have restrooms and different little vending machines. Probably should brought me some. Y'all, look how good God is. Well, if I get this glare off, I was able to stay at this rest stop. I've been here since 10 something last night, and it's 7:20, and that's all the gas that was used for the 30 something minutes to get here, and the hours that I slept. That is awesome, amazing. See, it was 36 miles from when I filled up the tank. Look at that. Look at that gas. Hallelujah to the Lamb. I thought it used a whole lot more. Oh, yeah, now showing the real gas. Look at that. That I done drove a few miles. It's almost to a quarter tank. But that's good for all of my hours of sleeping. Very nice pilot and barbecue place and all kind of stuff here. Nice big old gas station. Nice little decorations and everything out here. I believe this is Henrietta, Texas, where I'm located. But I just wanted to share. It's nice and little photo op play areas. Your girl didn't get that many miles this go round out of this tank of gas after running that generator all day. But that's all good, because we finna go and get this gas and finish this trip on back home. Grab something to eat. Quick, I just wanted to show y'all how I did this on this here trip that I did. Since I am disabled, I brought my rollator with me. Walker, rollator, whatever you want to call it. And I keep this strap in here in my RV. So since it has a tether for child safety seats, I figured I could just run this through there. It's too big. These little hooks are too big to connect into that little loop. But you can connect them inside of one another to keep this from rolling and falling over. Because at first I just had it in the back in the kitchen area with the brakes on, and it still fell over and moved around. So I decided to do this. So this is just an idea. If you are disabled, don't let that stop you from RVing or camping or glamping or whatever you want to call it. There is a way if you have a will to do it. Oh Lord, you know what? It's a terrible when you think your video rolling and it ain't rolling. Honey. But I came out here to talk to y'all real fast about being on the road, because on my mirrors, my passenger mirror that's outside, I needed to be able to move the outside part because the positioning from the switches inside, I still couldn't get the flat mirror, the top mirror, turned in a proper position to see correctly all of the area on the side of my RV. So I went searching for the little tool, since they have locking screws or bolts inside of that little arm, and I found this little kit from Walmart, only $7 and something. It has a belt clip on it, and it came with this little drill bit deal to use. And then if you have the Thor Majestic 19G, it's T30. That's the one that you need for that, if it's anything like mine. Mine is a 2017. Because sometimes we need all different types of tools, honey. And then I already have this at home, this little Black & Decker. It's a lithium battery, rechargeable, and it comes with the flathead and the whatever the other screwdriver thing is, honey. I can't even think right now. Ain't that crazy? But I just had to stop and say something to y'all while I'm out here. Yeah, I'm all up in my bathrobe. Transparency, ain't it now? For real transparency. See, y'all, look at the little storage area that I've created without having the table up. I have the baby gate that I use to put my dog off in a different little section of the RV, and also I have a dog crate for whenever I go to a hotel or something. I'll have it for him with me, where I don't have to pack the one out the house. This one stays in here permanently. So until next time, make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, and definitely leave comments in the comment section. I try to respond to each individual person. If I cannot respond to everybody, I will respond to the entire post of comments. So y'all be safe out there on the road. Have fun for me, and just look for more adventures from me. I have some more videos to post, but it's just editing and actually get them together and see if I really like them. You know, sometimes we be harder on ourselves than others, and it takes time to decide whether or not you want to post something. So hopefully I will have more content coming up. I have the content, it's just posting it. And no, I'm sorry, I don't post on a regular basis. Just please turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever I do post. Y'all forget this head. I need to go get a clean up in the back. And I was laying around on the couch chilling, watching TV. All right, y'all be safe out there. And happy Halloween. Halloween gonna be over by the time I post this probably though.